One of the oldest art forms, painting, have been around ever since our ancient ancestors first started producing charcoal creations on cave walls. While countless generations of artists have left their mark over the millennia some artworks have succeeded in transcending time and culture to be reversed around the global heirs. Look at the most famous painting of all the time found in museums around the world. Number 12. American Gothic. American Gothic, now hanging in the Art Institute of Chicago. American Gothic is one of the most famous paintings of 20th century. Rural American Grand Wood defining masterpiece was painted in 1930 and depicts a farmer and his daughter. Number 11. The Persistence of Memory. One of the greatest and most distinctive works of surrealist art of all time. We can see melting pocket watches dropped across a bleak landscape. Salvador Dali's The Persistence of Memory really does stand out from the crowd in 1931 painting. Number 10. The Kiss. Painted between 1907 and 1908 during the height of Gustave Klimt's golden period. This painting vertically shimmers and shines before your eyes as gold, silver, and platinum radiates forth from the canvas. Number 9. Nighthawks. Placed at Art Institute of Chicago. Most famous artworks is Nighthawks, which was painted by Edward Hopper in 1942. Number 8. The Great Wave of Kanagawa. This most famous painting is from Japan. This painting is produced by Hokusai using a woodblock print technique between 1829 and 1823. In this painting, the iconic volcano can be spotted in the background due to the fact that numerous prints were made original impressions. The Great Wave of the Kanagawa can be found in the British Museum and the Metropolitan Museum of Art, among others. Number 7. Water Lilies. Consisting of some 250 different paintings, Claude Bonnet's Water Lily series was painted at this loom in Ginovini between 1896 and 1926. A wooden bridge and a majestic weeping willow, also featuring one of the great French impressionists. Subject of the paintings is the water lily pond is back to his garden with various other flowers. Claude Monet's paintings are instantly recognizable and are on display in museums around the world. Number 6. Night Watch. Arguably, the painting is famed for its dramatic use of that makes it seem as if the life-size figures are actually moving before us. Number 5. The Scram. Painted by Norwegian artist Edvard Munch, showing an agonized figure against a bloody red sky. Edvard Munch created several versions of the Scram in various media. The first version was painted in 1893. The first version of Scram was displayed in the National Gallery of Norway, but it was stolen in 1994 by a high-profile art theft and recovered several months later in 2004. Another version of the Scram was stolen from the Munich Museum, only to be recovered in 2006. Number 4. The Girl with a Pearl Earring. Although it is often compared with the Mona Lisa, its artwork depicts an imagined rather than the real girl, wearing a blue turban and a sizable glimmering pearl earring. Number 3. The Last Supper. It was painted in 1490s on a refectory wall in the monastery in Milan. The Last Supper is one of the most recognizable artwork on earth, while the years have not been kind to the original. It depicts the scene where Jesus Christ tells the 12 apostles sitting to either side of him. Second, Starry Night. Goe's defining work Starry Night describes he could see out of his Esling window in San after he had a breakdown and cut off part of his ear in 1888. The Dutch fast painter's stunning creation is now exhibited at the Museum of Modern Art in New York and is now of the most valued work in their extensive collection. First, Mona Lisa. Widely considered to be the most famous painting in the world, the Mona Lisa has delighted onlookers ever since it was painted in the early 1500s by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting is named for Lisa del Gioconda, a member of a wealthy family in Florence. Mona Lisa was stolen in 1911 by the lawyer employee Vincenzo Perugia, an Italian patriot who believed that Mona Lisa should be returned in Italy. Today, the Mona Lisa hangs again in the Paris where 6 million people see the painting each year. Subscribe and share.